Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jordan, and today I'm gonna be doing another makeup tutorial for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna use is the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pore Filler Primer. Alright, the next thing I'm gonna do is the foundation, and I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation plus Concealer, and I'm in number 4 medium beige. So that's what it looks like. Alright, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows to make them good. So I'm gonna clean up underneath the eyebrows, and I'm gonna use the Maybelline New York Better Skin Super Stay Concealer, and I'm in medium. So yeah. Alright, so I just got done doing my eyebrows, like clean them underneath. Move on to the under eye circles. So let's do the concealer for the under eyes, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium. So, yeah. Alright, so once I'm done putting concealer everywhere I need it, I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Translucent Powder in number 105 for under eyes, for baking, basically. So, yeah. Alright, so once I'm done baking and stuff, I'm gonna go wipe it off with this City Color Kabuki brush. So, yeah. Alright, so now I'm gonna use my powder foundation that I've been loving forever, ever since last year of April. Yep, April. So this is the Tarte BB Double Beauty Confidence Powder in Medium Tan Honey. So this is what it looks like, and this is the back. And then this is the actual thing. I've used a lot just because this is my favorite powder of all time. So, yeah. So that's my favorite powder. I just repurchased one, so it's in my backups right now. So that's it. Alright, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be taking the Urban Decay Naked Basics palette. I use Crave, which is that black color right here. So I'm gonna use that. So I'm gonna use this product, which is the Maybelline Great Lash in Clear Transparent, and I use this for my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna be for blush is the Too Faced Papadelle Peach Me blush, and it looks like that. So I'm gonna put that on my cheeks. Alright, so next up is a bronzer, and I'm gonna use the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and this is my very first one ever too. If you guys can tell, it's almost panned. Alright, so now I want to make it a little darker, more chisel-like. So I'm going to go in with my contour kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills in light to medium. So this is it. I sometimes use the banana powder for under my eyes too. But today I'm going to go with the dark color right here on the last side right here. And use that for my cheekbones to make it more chisel-like. I'm gonna use the Stay Don't Stray primer from Benefit, and this is in light to medium. Alright, so the palettes I'm going to be using are the 3 most favorite palettes that I have in my collection. So I have my favorite Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I feel like everyone has this, to be honest, because everyone likes the colors in here. And then I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. And then the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. So, alright, so what I meant to say is, I'm doing like a metallic, peachy look. So, cause like I noticed Dirty Talk. This is Dirty Talk, by the way. I just washed it on my fingernail, and it's definitely metallic. So I'm gonna call that metallic peachy look. There you go. All right, back to the video. All right, so I'm gonna move on to the Modern Renaissance palette first, and then I'm gonna take the transition color. So for my transition color, I'm gonna take raw sienna and burnt orange together and put it in my crease. So now I'm gonna go in with Hello Below in the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. Alright, so now I'm gonna apply Dirty Talk in the same palette, which is this one, Dirty Talk right here, and put it in the inner. Alright, so now we're gonna go in the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and we're gonna go in with the color Bellini right there, and put that in the inner eye, in the center of the eye. Ooh. Alright, so once I got done doing the metallic peachy look, alright, and then now I'm gonna do the highlight for my brow bone. I'm gonna be using Tempera, this color right here, for my brow bone. Alright, so now I'm gonna use some mascara, and I'm gonna use the Tarte's Man Eater mascara. So yeah. So the last thing I need, or second to last thing, is a lipstick, and I'm gonna use the MAC Verve, and put lip gloss all over it. So I'm gonna use the NARS after. Alright, so now I'm gonna use the NARS Instant Crash lip gloss, and yeah, put that all over my lipstick. And now I'm using the Clinique spray. Alright, thank you guys for watching my makeup tutorial. Stay tuned for another videos coming soon. You guys know the video. Please like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below for more suggestions, and please be subscribed to my channel, and I'll do another video probably soon. Anyways, love you guys. Bye.